So how are you guys? Hope you all fine. I am the admin of this YouTube channel New Inventions Hub. Today I will tell you about Udemy paid online courses. But don't worry, they are free now because I have applied coupon codes on these courses. In description I have give you detail and links of these courses. Now I will give you overview of these courses in detail. So there you go, this is Udemy website. The first course is ethical hacking course. This course is for IT students. It's a quite impressive course for network and security or IT students, because ethical hacking is legal hacking course, everyone know that, and it is lifetime access and free because I have applied coupon code in this course. Otherwise it's a paid course, so only 17 hours left in this course, so quickly enroll in this course. So next course is mobile marketing. It is for those students who made mobile apps, but they don't know how to search engine optimization. They don't know how to market these apps. So these course is for those students, also a lifetime access and free because I have applied coupon code in this course. On regular days it's a paid course on Udemy. So the next course is presentation skills. It is for those students who want to excel themselves in universities, or for businessmen as well, to improve their communication skills. Is a free course as well because I applied coupon in it. It's full lifetime access. This course also has lifetime access. So the next course is also presentation skill, but it's a bit basic level. It's a bit speech, it's also little bit of personal development and basic level course, lifetime access, and they will give you certificate as well. Udemy will give you certificate as well. Next course is for those YouTubers who want to promote their channel or who want to gain subscribers in no time, and they give you beginner, intermediate and advanced tips to grow your YouTube channel, and for marketing students and for everyone. I think everyone can do that. I also subscribed in this course. Sorry for that. So next course is Python. Python is a programming language and it's quite easy language. This course is also a superb one, and it's free as well and lifetime access, and they will give you certificate of completion as well. So this will improve your chances of getting job in any field. Next course is for mechanical engineer. For unfortunately it's not free, so I will cut this. I have to cut this. Next course is for civil engineers and architects who want to excel their skill in architect field. The SketchUp Pro 2020 fundamentals course. They will not give you a certificate, but it's a great course. And the next course is for bloggers who want to excel their skill in blogging. It's a professional technical training course. Great course. Everyone should have to enroll in this because it's for those students who want to write, who want to make their own content. So it's professional technical writing course. Next course is quick guide local testing server. This course is for those students who want to set up their own server on computer for WordPress blogging. I think WordPress bloggers know this very well. It's a complete web developer server type course. Next course is time and work masterclass GMAT. These are tests SAT, KIT, a bit traditional. And next up, if for photography students who want to make photography and excel their skills in photography, mastering architecture, it's a lifetime access course. Lifetime access, mobile or TV everywhere. You can watch this course everywhere. Quite basic level course but for this course you have to got the DSLR. The next course is cybersecurity course, and it's quite basic level course, but a great one for significant course for data security or cybersecurity students. Next course is for app building, JavaScript for JavaScript students or CSS students who want to build a quiz apps, and those students should have to enroll in this course. Next course, and that's my favorite course, it's a Photoshop course and quite long course. It's complete based on projects. I thought projects is not not available in every course, but this course have projects. Adobe Photoshop CC 2020, quite a long course and good one, from basic to expert level. These are the the overview of the course pattern. They will design and they will learn project management, app designing, and you will learn from this course, learn app designing, icon designing, graphic designing, video designing, everything exists in this course. So it's for every student who want to excel their skill in graphic designing field. It's free, just 10 hours left in this course, so be quick to enroll in this course. So that's it. Thank you.